What is up, guys? Welcome to the second video in the series of app idea all the way to launch and $1,000 in revenue on the App Store. Today, we're going to get all the templates done for the app and knock all those out and just take care of a few of the little things that we need to tidy up. So let's get right into it. What's up, guys? We're back in. Second video now. Today, like I said, we're going to be working on the templates, building out all the templates. I'm kind of going back and forth how I want to do that. I haven't really honestly put much thought into it. Hold on, let me. All right. So like I said, we're gonna be working on those templates today. Stay. All right, getting the rest of those templates built out. So we want to work on that. And also right now, I was gonna work on, like I said, toggling that font being bold and italic real quick, get that set up. But about the templates, I didn't know really how I wanted to go about it yet. I didn't know if I just wanted to quick and dirty write out functions to add each of them, or if I wanted to, if I want to do something a little bit more complex and make it to where, we just having that view and we just, like, we have the views already created, we just cycle in the different views that we need. I don't know yet. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go quick and dirty, but we'll see. Let's just finish the toggle real quick and then we'll get to that. There we go. All right. That took way longer than it should have. So here's the problem. Do I let them bold it and when won't you want to bold and italicize something? Would you ever want to bold and italicize something? Like, for right now, just because I'm being lazy and I don't want to have to make these attributed strings, and I just really didn't want to have to mess with that stuff. For right now, we're just going to do this. We're just going to leave it like that, so you can either bold or italicize it. If people complain about it, it's an easy fix. I don't want to get into that right now. So do the same thing here. If self title is boom. Okay. That's good. So we've got these toggling like we want. Like you said, we can't do bold and italic right now. I think that's fine. I don't think that's necessary. I don't think that's needed. But for right now, that's good. That's all we need really for the titles. You can bold, you can italicize. Now, I don't see a situation where you're going to want to do both. You might. But like I said, right now I don't see that situation, so I'm not really going to worry about it. I'm going to keep moving on to things that are more important. So, like I said, what we want to do today is get the rest of these templates built out. I was really thinking, except this one, we're not doing this one. We're going to replace this with something different. Actually, I'm about to just take it out. What is it? 0, 1, 2, 3. The third one. Yeah, we're going to take this one out real quick. What kind is it? Zero. Yeah, we're going to take this out real quick. Make sure all that runs well still. And the reason we're taking that out is because I don't want to get into the 3D ones until we get into the video, because I already know for the video I'm going to have to do it differently than I'm doing it now, and that's okay. But I want to get these done first. So yeah, so we're going to roll with these 6 first, and of course, we're going to have to create your own. Don't worry. Just want to get all the basic features done first, and for the basic features, the way we do the phones on this one, We don't need ARKit. We don't need 3D. They're just flat 2D. Um, so I want to get all these done first before we start moving into the ones that are a little bit more, because it's just not needed yet. So let's build all these out. Let's see if it's too crowded on here. Okay, that'll work. Because this is something we have to keep in mind. This is going to be a lot smaller now, which is okay because you're going to have paragraph text. All right, so we're going to see if that worked, adding our paragraph text here, and just trying to play with the constraints. Nope. This is right. Okay. All right, sorry I had to add a few things. I was going to try and use a text field, but I forgot it's multi-line. It needs to be a text view. So we're going to have to add we're going to have to add a delegate so we can watch. So you can watch it. So we can basically add a placeholder to it because I do not know why text views don't have placeholders automatically. Just want to see something. There we go. 100's probably too large. Let's do. After way too long, way too much spaghetti code, I got this working. I actually got it looking pretty good. What I want to do soon is actually, I think that looks pretty good though. When you're a user that quickly, you can make marketing material. And guys, we're gonna do cool things with backgrounds. So you'll be able to put different backgrounds on it. We're gonna have not just colors, we're gonna have background effects like bubbles. It's gonna be cool. You're gonna make this so cool. And that's pretty amazing. You can make marketing material that quick, and we'll be able to change the font. And we'll be able to change the size. I decided I am gonna do font size, even on the templates, just because it's important. But guys, this is pretty cool. This is pretty powerful. So this template's done. We're gonna probably, I might just snap and have all of them done, and then we'll show you at the end, or I might show you a time lapse. I'm not sure yet, depending on how long it is. I don't want the time lapse even sped up to be super long, so you should see either one of those now. Boom, just like that, we are done with all the templates. So we got all the templates built out for the app, the 6 that we're going to be starting with. And now we're going to kind of start getting into some of the fun stuff, guys. In the next video, we'll be doing some stuff for the text. So we'll do our different fonts in the text. We might play around with different sizing. I'm not sure on that yet for the title text and the paragraph text. So different fonts, different sizing, and we're going to be adding shadows to the screenshots. So, a screenshot's cool, but it's flat. Normally, you want it to look kind of like 3D. You want to have some oomph to it. So we're going to be adding shadows. But in the rest of this video, what I want to do really quick is clean up our what's it called? Our image picker. So when we're picking our image, right now we're just, I have it kind of hard coded in there to pick the image I want, but I want to actually put a screenshot that we have in there and then use that, just so we have all that working. It shouldn't take too long. I just have to see how do you add a screenshot to the simulator. So I'm gonna look that up and then we're gonna put that in there. that was surprisingly a lot easier than I think. I did not know you could just drag it into the photos like that. That's cool. So now we have that. Let's go through and go to where we're actually doing that at, and let's use the real image instead of using the fake one. So I'm going to say image equals image print. That's simple. Let's run it. Everything should work the exact same way. If not, that's just great. But it should. If not, we'll fix it. Let's do a Twitter post. Let's do the OG, just a screenshot, the OG. And so we have our picture here. That's ours. Ooh, look how good that looks. Works the exact same way. Boom. So, like I said, guys, in the next video, I know this one was kind of short. I know this one didn't have as much oomph to it, but I kind of wanted to get this stuff done before we got to the next one because I feel like I want to do them all on kind of things that go together. I think the next one's going to be super cool. We're going to be adding custom fonts, probably custom font sizing, and we're going to be adding shadows to our screenshots in the editors. And once we get that done, guys, I think we're going to be pretty close on starting on the create your own. I'm pretty sure in the video after that, we're going to start the create your own so you can build your own from the scratch. And I got some really cool ideas for that, so I'm super excited. So, guys, so everyone, make sure you like the video, you subscribe, follow along. The second video, shorter video, but we're going to keep them moving and keep the content coming. Yeah, so like and subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching.